This chickpea quinoa is so delicious that I bet you can't resist yourself from making it at least twice a week. It's packed with protein and is very quick and simple to make. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel before heading towards the video as I keep bringing vegan and vegetarian recipes just for you. Take 1 cup of quinoa and the very first step is to wash the quinoa thoroughly and then soak it for at least 1 hour. This is because quinoa contains a saponin coating, which is a natural plant chemical and is very bitter in taste. So please do make sure that you rub and wash it thoroughly for at least 2-3 times before cooking. Then the second very important step is to soak it for at least 1 hour before cooking. This is because quinoa contains a natural phytic acid which might cause indigestion in some people. So soaking for an hour helps to remove some of the phytic acid and also speed up the cooking process. So once you wash the quinoa, please soak it for at least 1 hour. Then after soaking, we need to cook the quinoa. This is a very simple process. Quinoa is cooked in a similar way as we cook our normal basmati rice. That means take double the amount of water and boil it rigorously, and when the water reaches the level of quinoa, simmer the gas and cover it for 10 minutes. Don't forget to add some salt while quinoa is boiling. In hardly 10 minutes, your quinoa will be all puffed up and cooked properly. Now let it cool down to room temperature. So let me show you. When quinoa gets these sprouty white strings, that means it's cooked properly. Alright, let it cool down now. Meanwhile, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil and roast handful of peanuts. I've taken around 1/3 cup peanuts. You can take as per your preference. In case of any nut allergy, you can completely skip it, not a problem. Roast the peanuts until golden brown, then take it out and keep it aside. Now add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are very common in Indian households, but if you don't have it, not a problem, you can skip it or add some cumin seeds instead. Then add a teaspoon of grated ginger and some chopped green chilies as per your taste. Now add some vegetables. I'm taking some chopped bell pepper or capsicum, chopped carrots and some green peas. You can take any vegetable of your choice like green beans, corn kernels, zucchini, whatever you like. Add some salt in the vegetables, mix it up properly and then cover the lid and let it cook for hardly 5 minutes. Then in 5 to 7 minutes, the vegetables will be all done. So now at this stage, add in all the cooked quinoa. So guys, do you know you can pre-cook the quinoa and store it in the refrigerator for a couple of days, and whenever you want to make a recipe, just simply take it out and saute it in your favorite veggies and spices and you're done. Alright, so now add in all the roasted peanuts, some boiled chickpeas. Well, you can also take the canned chickpeas. I am taking the fresh one. So I soaked 1/3 cup of chickpeas overnight and boiled it the next morning. You can take however you want. Then squeeze in half a lime or lemon wedge. Adding few drops of lime or lemon quickly enhances the flavor like anything. Then add handful of chopped cilantro and some black pepper powder. Just be a bit careful while adding black pepper as we have already added green chilies. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of jaggery powder as I like a tint of healthy sweetness. But that's absolutely my thing guys. You can skip it if you want. Now mix everything together and straight away serve it hot on a plate. This wholesome, fulfilling and protein-rich chickpea quinoa will keep you fuller for hours. So just try it and let me know in the comments box how you find it. This is Soumya signing off. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.